Hey everybody, it's NCP. Just trying to get my day started here. I wanted hash browns this morning, and there's too many carbs and regular potatoes, so we went ahead this morning, and I had the idea of using turnips, or I guess rutabaga is another name for them, but turnips instead of potatoes. Usually we'd use radishes, but I tried this and got online and searched for keto. I think it said keto. Excuse me. Keto, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh well. Hash browns, keto hash browns with turnips. And there's a few places. I'll link the recipe below where I got this one from. But it's basically you put an egg in there as a binder. We diced up the rutabaga or the turnips. And I really can't tell the difference between these and real potatoes. So this is gonna be our go-to now. I guess there's cheese in there. Is there cheese in here?
Yes.
Yeah, there's cheese. Colby Jack. Okay, well, I put Colby Jack cheese in there too, but I don't know if the recipe called for that or not. But it's still a winner. So this is really, really good. So just a real quick heads up. I got to get out here and get some yard work today and build that thing, the can crusher. But we'll do that later. But anyway, it's NCP. Y'all have a great day and stay safe. Have a good one. And I'll post the link below, and I'll put a copy of the recipe too. All right.